Buccaneers! Today we're going to unbox and review Finder Seekers, a monthly subscription box that offers an adventure each month exploring a different city, solving puzzles, and deciphering clues. We've played escape rooms before, and we've done monthly subscription boxes, but we've never seen a monthly subscription box that is an escape room, so that's really cool. And now we're going to open this box up. Okay, so inside there's an apron. It's an apron that says Bon Appetit Paris. Okay. And then
Is this the eating bowl?
no.
Oh.
There's an envelope, and it says "Get started." Read the letter inside from Lucy Calder. Verified contents of your box. And then there's an email in case you're missing something. And then you join the Finder Seekers user group on Facebook for hints. Okay.
And paint.
Oh, there's like paint tubes. Okay.
That's all.
Oh, that's all. Let's see what's inside this classified folder. Okay. Whoa. Okay, and then, so inside this envelope, it looks like there's these tile pieces with numbers. And, okay, there's also these like strips
Oh, here's
with
the
letters.
paintbrush.
Oh yeah, and
painting.
there's a paintbrush over here.
For painting, of course.
Okay, so there's strips. There's like a whole bunch. I don't know what these are for. These are probably
Wait, they have letters.
they're probably part of some sort of like puzzle. Okay, now there's a map of the Paris metro.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, this stop is the one that's circled.
Oh yeah, one of the stops is circled. Gare de Lyon. Okay, I'm gonna make sure this is kept in
Amazing.
order.
Wait.
Oh wait, hold on. This underground map shows the Eiffel Tower. See? If I ever go to Paris, I'm gonna bring this thing along. And then,
Here's with all the letters. So this will probably have to do.
oh
this.
yeah, this maze has like the same kind of color scheme as this strip. So then, this maze is really big, and it says, what does it say? It says Paris. Oh, catacombs. Oh yeah, the Paris catacombs.
What's that?
I don't know. I read about it in one of the books. And whoa, what is this?
More letters.
Yes, more letters with holes punched up.
Maybe you have to do it with something like this.
Over here, there's like a whole bunch of numbers on a white page.
It might be for this.
Okay, brother thinks it might be for like this, but we don't know yet.
Yeah.
Ooh, look.
Oh, that's for the numbers.
Okay. Oh, maybe
Mona Lisa.
these are probably the paintings from. Oh, they're the paintings at the Louvre museum place. Oh yeah, that's like the really famous art museum or something. And then another like museum or something maybe. Okay.
Oh, macarons.
What? Macarons. Oh, maybe this is like a advertisement for one of the restaurants or something.
Or maybe they're famous for their macarons.
But it's making me hungry. And then
Music piece.
this is for Garmin Opera, George Bizet.
Hey, more music pieces. It's a different music piece.
Garmin Opera, George Bizet. It's like, maybe wait, is it the same?
Oh, maybe
It
we'll
looks-
have to find it different.
Yeah, these two pages look almost the same. Oh, here's a menu for a Paris restaurant.
Oh, more of the menu with it.
Itinerary.
Oh, it's maybe not. And what's the last page about? Oh, the Finder Seekers.
Oh, okay. All right. So they did say to read this letter of introduction first, so I'm just going to go ahead and read that. Salut, mes amis. Bienvenue à Paris. The Society of Seekers has been called to the City of Lights to solve a crime. 3 weeks ago, the Mona Lisa was, once again, stolen from the Louvre. To avoid embarrassment, the museum has not gone public about the heist, and a replica painting remains on display. We have been commissioned to follow the trail of clues and recover the priceless masterpiece. You'll need to make good use of the internet, and we encourage you to join the private Facebook group Finders Seekers User Group, so you can collaborate with other seekers, but beware of spoilers there. What are you waiting for? Happy seeking! And the difficulty level for this escape room is 3 out of 5. The completion time will be 2 to 4 hours.
That sounds right.
2 to 4 hours. Okay.
Sounds right.
Okay, and that is everything you get with the Finders Seekers Paris set. And now we're going to play Finders Seekers and come back with our review and final thoughts. And we're back. We finished playing the Paris edition of Finders Seekers, and here is our review. So the first thing I noticed that I really liked about this game is right off the bat, the instructions were really clear. Like there's some escape rooms where you spend the first half an hour trying to figure out what to do. But the thing I like about this is how they give you straightforward instructions from the start. So for each puzzle, it's basically a single day, and you start off the day by following the instructions on here. It'll tell you to take certain trains to certain stops on the Paris metro map. Oh, and the thing I really like about this metro map is it's like the real thing. This is a completely accurate Paris metro map, and it's so cool. So basically for these puzzles, they take you to real famous locations such as
The
Notre Dame or
the Paris catacombs.
The catacombs, the Louvre Museum. So there's so many places that this game takes you to, and you can learn about the history of each location. There are 3 puzzles from this escape room that I want to highlight. One of them involved famous paintings, including the Mona Lisa. There was a Rembrandt painting. There were 4 others. And then basically you had to solve a puzzle involving that. I can't go too much into detail. There was also another puzzle involving opera and music. And basically they gave you a music soundtrack that you could listen to for fun. It had nothing to do with solving the puzzle, but it was just cool to listen to the music. However, in the actual puzzle, it would be helpful if you knew how to read music notes. So I play the violin, so it was a bit more easy for me. Or else you have to really pay attention to what the notes are, and it just might confuse you a little bit. And lastly, there was a puzzle where you had to basically solve a maze. The maze was huge. See this Paris metro map? It's bigger than this. Yeah. It's bigger than that. So we ended up ultimately not solving the maze puzzle because it would have taken a lot of time. If you do get this escape room, I encourage you to solve it. I mean, it's probably going to be the most challenging maze puzzle you've ever solved. Now here's the really cool thing about this escape room. After you solve each puzzle, they give you paint coordinates, and you actually get to paint in certain colors on a final painting. Now we're not going to show you what the painting looks like because it's going to give away the final reveal, but it's really cool. And this is my favorite thing about this escape room. If you ever get this Paris edition of Finders Seekers, you'll see that the painting is really, really cool. Just to remind you, Finders Seekers is a subscription box, which is really cool because if you get this subscription, then you get an escape room every month. And for each Finder Seeker escape room, it takes you to a certain city in the world. This happened to be Paris, but there are many other cities you can explore. And every single escape room is a little bit different. which means that in another city you wouldn't get a metro map like this. So each escape room is a little bit unique. Once again, if you found this to be interesting, you can purchase it at the link in the description.
Bye bye.